Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll guide you on how to add Google Pay to your Binance account to buy USD, Bitcoin, or other cryptocurrencies. Let's get started. First, open the Binance app on your device and log into your account. Once you're logged in, tap on the app icon in the top left corner to access the menu. From the menu, select Settings, and then go to Payment Methods. Here, you'll see various payment options available for your account. To add Google Pay, tap on the Add Payment Method button and select Google Pay from the list. If Google Pay is linked to your device, it will automatically show as an option. Follow the on-screen instructions to link your Google Pay account to Binance. You may need to verify your Google Pay credentials during this process. Once the setup is complete, you can use Google Pay as your preferred payment method for purchasing cryptocurrencies. Simply go to the Buy Crypto section. Select the cryptocurrency you want to purchase, such as USD, Bitcoin, etc., and choose Google Pay as your payment option during checkout. Confirm the payment details, and your purchase will be processed instantly. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and hit the bell icon for updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.